Hello. Today I'm going to talk about the journey of software development from low level to low code. In this journey, we have seen where in the beginning software developers used low level languages to program computers, which were very close to the hardware and provided little or no abstraction. Then came slightly higher level languages like C or C++, which allowed you to write the programs much more easily compared to the low level microcode or assembly language kind of programming. Uh, and so it enabled a lot more people to build way more complex software. Since then, of course, there has been even higher level programming languages like Java or Python. And today we have low code platforms which are providing abstractions such that even people with little or no programming experience can build really complex applications. So, two things have been constant during this journey. Uh, One is that it always, when we moved from a lower level programming language to the next higher level of abstraction, it enabled way more number of people to build way more complex applications. And that is definitely going to happen, I believe, with low code platforms, or that is already happening with low code platforms. There has been another thing that has been common across this journey every time there has been a change to a higher level of abstraction is that there has been a conflict, and I will describe this conflict with the first transition, let's say from the low level language to when higher level languages like C or C++ came in. Then one of the criticism would be that no, you cannot really do everything with this high level programming language because you don't have, here you have direct access to the hardware and you can do so many things, everything is under your control. And the other thing is, of course, that if you hand code using low-level programs, then it will be the most memory efficient, the most CPU efficient program that you could write. And then those statements were probably factually correct. At the point, the compiled code would be definitely worse for certain type of applications than what one could hand code using the lower level assembly language or microcode. But what the critics has been missing is what is the trend, where is the market moving, and where is the technology moving. So if you look at the compiler technologies were getting better, and not only that, computing and memory was getting cheaper and faster and better. So you would not worry about a little bit of memory optimization or a little bit of CPU optimization anymore because you have them in abundance. And that has always been true whenever this movement from lower level to higher level of abstraction has happened. And similarly, the other thing that has been true is the market pull. There has always been more need, latent need of more and more complex and more larger amounts of software in the market. And so the market also pulled this, so software development processes to move to higher level of languages, higher level of abstraction, which could build a lot more complex solutions with a lot more people, software developers who are now enabled to write software. And at the same time, the technology also moved such that all the criticism about the last bit of memory optimization or CPU optimization did not matter at all. Thank you. Hope that helps.